Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add weather in Notion. Adding weather to your Notion pages can help you stay informed and plan your day effectively. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Find a weather widget provider. Go to a website like weatherwidget.io, AccuWeather, or Meteomatics that provides embeddable weather widgets. 2. Customize the weather widget. Use the customization options on the website to set your location, unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit, and style. Once you have configured the widget, the website will provide an embed code. 3. Copy the embed code. Highlight the generated embed code and copy it. 4. Open your Notion page. Navigate to the Notion page where you want to add the weather widget. 5. Embed the weather widget. In Notion, type /embed and select the embed option. Paste the copied weather widget code into the box and click embed link. 6. Adjust the placement. Resize or move the widget black as needed to fit your page design. And that's it. Now you know how to add weather to Notion to keep your workspace even more organized and functional. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.